If you're building a home gym, buying separate machines for every exercise can quickly become expensive and take up a lot of space. Today, we're reviewing the Mikolo Smith machine with WeightStack, a multi-functional home gym system that combines a Smith machine, power cage, LAT pull-down, cable crossover, dual pulley system, and includes 10+ training attachments. But can this all-in-one trainer replace a commercial gym? Let's find out. The Mikolo Smith machine is designed for people who want a complete strength training solution without filling their garage or home with multiple machines. Instead of purchasing separate equipment for squats, bench press, cable exercises, pull-downs, and functional training, this system combines them into one compact station. Whether your goal is muscle growth, strength training, athletic conditioning, or general fitness, it offers a wide variety of workout options suitable for beginners and experienced lifters alike. Let's start with the strength training features. The built-in Smith machine provides guided barbell movement, making exercises like squats, bench presses, shoulder presses, and lunges safer for solo workouts. The integrated power cage also allows traditional free weight training using your own barbell, giving you the flexibility to switch between guided and unrestricted lifting. One of the biggest advantages is the included WeightStack system, allowing users to quickly change resistance without manually loading weight plates for cable exercises. This saves time and keeps workouts moving efficiently. The cable system greatly expands the exercise variety. With dual adjustable pulleys, users can perform cable flies, rows, curls, triceps pushdowns, face pulls, lateral raises, and dozens of functional exercises. The integrated LAT Pulldown Station allows effective back training, while the cable crossover system provides additional chest and shoulder exercises. The package also includes more than 10 workout attachments, allowing different grip positions and exercise variations without purchasing additional accessories. This versatility makes the machine suitable for full body workouts. In everyday training, the Mikolo Smith machine performs impressively. The frame feels solid during heavier lifting, while the guided Smith bar moves smoothly throughout its range of motion. The cable system operates consistently, allowing controlled resistance for isolation and functional exercises. Having multiple training stations integrated into one machine reduces workout interruptions since you can move between exercises without switching equipment. For home gym owners who train several times per week, the combination of free weights, cables, and guided lifting provides excellent workout flexibility. So, is the Mikolo Smith machine with WeightStack worth buying? If you're looking for a complete home gym capable of supporting full body strength training, it's one of the strongest all-in-one systems available. With features like the Smith machine, power cage, WeightStack, LAT pull-down, dual pulley system, cable crossover, and 10+ included attachments, it offers tremendous workout variety without requiring multiple separate machines. Although it requires a dedicated workout space and represents a larger investment than basic gym equipment, its versatility can easily replace several individual machines. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of home gym equipment, strength training machines, fitness technology, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.